Scholars, follow along with me as we go through today's thinking steps for identifying and creating statistical questions. The first one is statistical questions result in a variety of different answers. That means that when you ask that specific question, you're going to get answers that are not only different, but there's a lot of different answers. Number two, statistical questions do not result in a single answer. So that means when you ask that question, if you just get one answer from a question, it's not statistical at all because you're just getting one answer and not a multiple or a variety of different answers. Number three, the more a specific question, the better the results will be. So if you're detailed in your question asking, then the results will be better, and it'll result in a statistical question. Let's look at some examples of statistical versus non-statistical questions. So we're going to take two different types of questions and ask them in different ways to show how they're statistical or not statistical. First one, a statistical question would be, what time did the students in this class get up this morning? Well, since you have a lot of students, each time that they got up is going to be different. If we go to the non-statistical side, the question becomes, what time did you get up this morning? So the difference is going to be in the non-statistical question, it's referring to one person, you. Over on the statistical side, it's the students. So the students is multiple, you is just one. So that's the difference between a statistical and a non-statistical question. The second set of questions. What do 7th graders prefer to eat for lunch? That's statistical because you have 7th graders. There's a lot of 7th graders, so multiple people. What do 7th graders prefer to eat for lunch? That's going to be statistical because you're going to get more than one answer and they're going to be different or various. If we go over to the non-statistical side, where you get, what did Tom eat for lunch? What do you think the key word in this sentence is to be not statistical? That's right, Tom. If you're just asking Tom, you're going to only get Tom's answer, which is just one answer. So here are our thinking steps for today. Please refer to them so that you can tell what's statistical and what's not statistical.